मेरे सर में दर्द है। I have a headache. I have a headache. हो सकता है कल बारिश हो। It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. मेरा एक जुड़वां भाई है। I have a twin brother. I have a twin brother. मुझे बिल्लियों से एलर्जी है। I am allergic to cats. I am allergic to cats. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है। I don't have time. I don't have time. मुझे सर्दी लग रही है। I am getting cold. I am getting cold. तुम बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो। You seem very tired. You seem very tired. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. तुम बहुत काहिल हो। You are very lazy. You are very lazy. हमेशा बाएं जानिब चलो। Always keep to the left. Always keep to the left. क्या तुम मुझे अपनी साइकिल उधार दोगे? Would you lend me your bicycle? Would you lend me your bicycle? अपनी उंगलियां मत चाटो। Don't lick your fingers. Don't lick your fingers. मेरी बात गौर से सुनो। Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मैं सांप से डरता हूँ। I am afraid of snakes. I am afraid of snakes. अंधेरा छा रहा है। It is getting dark. It is getting dark. क्या वक्त हो रहा है? What time is it? What time is it? इधर उधर मत देखो। Don't look here and there. Don't look here and there. तुम बहुत तेज चलते हो। You walk very fast. You walk very fast. मुझे तंग मत करो। Don't trouble me. Don't trouble me. मुझे चाबियां ढूंढने दो। Let me find out the keys. Let me find out the keys. तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? मैं ये उसके मुंह पर कहूँगा। I shall say this to his face. I shall say this to his face. तुम्हें मुझसे क्या दुश्मनी है? What enmity do you have with me? What enmity do you have with me? वो कभी समझौता नहीं करेगी। She will never compromise. She will never compromise. मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा। I will think about it. I will think about it. इसने तुम्हें क्या बताया है? What did she tell you? What did she tell you? वो आदमी करोड़पति है। That man is a millionaire. That man is a millionaire. वो अंग्रेजी में कमजोर है। He is weak in English. He is weak in English.